everyone. I am Kanchan Sardana, working as assistant professor in RPIT campus Bastada, Karnal. Hope you all are doing well. So today we will discuss about the preparation of ointments. So we are earlier discussing about the ointments. So ointments are the semi-solid dosage form which are required for the external purpose only, means for the topical application on any wound or any infections. So we apply ointments. So how we prepare the ointment on the lab scale or any other method for the industrial scale also. So different methods of preparations are there for the manufacturing or formulation of the ointment. So first is the trituration methods. In trituration method what we do, as you know, ointment is formed by the base and active ingredient or API, that is drug, active pharmaceutical ingredients, and the base which are different types: oleaginous base, absorption base, water soluble bases, and water emulsification bases also. So these types of base are used for the production of ointment as a drug. So what we do in the trituration method, we mix the base and the drug, two or more ingredients. We can add different ingredients, coloring agent, flavoring agent, so different solvents are added. We take all the ingredients and there is a mortar and pestle which we use for the mixing of the ointment. So we take the mortar and pestle and we triturate it, means उसको mix करना with the mortar and pestle. We triturate it using the mortar and pestle instrument and mix all the ingredient to form a homogeneous mixture of the ointment. So with the trituration method we form the homogeneous ointment on the lab scale by using the mortar and pestle instrument. So next comes the fusion method. What we do in the fusion method, as the name indicates, fusion means we fuse two or more ingredients in the ointment. So we take the base, we take the drug and other ingredients. We can also use two or more than two base also, and two or more drugs for the action of for treatment of the action of the drug. So we fuse the different ingredients in fusion method. What we do, we take the ingredients and we melt them according to their melting point, means according to the descending order we melt the ingredients on the water bath at 70 degree Celsius. हम इनको क्या करेंगे, वाटर बाथ में मेल्ट करेंगे at 70 degree Celsius based on the descending order, means जिसका higher melting point होगा we melt that ingredient first, then other ingredient depending upon the melting point we melt it and we mix or triturate all the ingredients and cool it down with the continuous stirring, make a homogeneous ointment. But in this fusion method we first melt it and then mix it by cooling and continuous stirring, then we form a homogeneous ointment in fusion. Then comes the chemical reaction. Chemical reaction method is used for those drugs which are water insoluble. These are used for the water insoluble drugs. Chemical reaction method is used for water insoluble drugs. We use the base and water insoluble drug to get solubilized in the suitable solvent also. In this what we do, for example, as you know, potassium iodide is water insoluble. We produce non-staining potassium iodide ointment. As you know, potassium iodide cause the stain on the hands or on the clothes, but we produce non-staining iodine ointment for the different antiseptic purpose also. जब हमें चोट लग जाती है we use that ointment. So potassium iodide is water insoluble drug. So we add iodine is water insoluble drug. We use potassium iodide to react with the iodine. As our potassium iodide react with the iodine, it forms the polyiodide So polyiodide form is soluble in water and produce the ointment because iodine हम use करते हैं for the antiseptic purpose, but we add iodine is water insoluble drug. So we add potassium iodide and react it with iodine to produce the polyiodide form, that is Ki3 form, which is water soluble, and it forms a suitable ointment by reacting the different chemicals. We give the suitable homogeneous ointment by reacting the two or more ingredient to form a homogeneous ointment. These are the chemical reaction methods. Then emulsification method, as the name indicates, emulsion. That is, in this method we can use oil in water emulsion also and water in oil emulsion also. Means oil is present in large quantity of water and water is present in large quantity of oil. So in emulsification method, what we use, we solubilize the oil soluble drug in oil. हम इसमें क्या करते हैं, जो हमारी oil soluble drugs हैं उनको हम क्या करते हैं, oil में mix कर देते हैं, और जो water soluble drugs होती हैं उनको अलग मेल्ट करके मिक्स कर देते हैं ऑन वाटर बाथ एट 70 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ठीक है. देन हम अब क्या करेंगे, व्हाट वी डू, वी फॉर्म एन इमल्शन. वी ऐड वाटर सॉल्युबल ड्रग टू द ऑयल सॉल्युबल ड्रग. हम वाटर सॉल्युबल ड्रग्स को ऑयल सॉल्युबल में बनाएंगे विद कंटिन्यूअस स्टरिंग टू फॉर्म ए होमोजेनियस ऑइंटमेंट. हम स्टर करते रहेंगे तो वो क्या है, एक ऑइंटमेंट की फॉर्म में आ जाएगी हमारे पास. सो बाय this is known as emulsification method, but oil and water emulsion are less greasy than water in oil emulsion. So oil in water emulsion are less greasy, so we produce oil in water emulsion more, ointment more than the water in oil. Because if ointment अगर हमारी प्रॉपर्टी होती है कि अगर स्टिक कर जाए ज़्यादा देर के लिए, that will cause irritation to the patient. So we prefer oil in water emulsion as compared to the water in oil emulsion. So these are the different methods which are used for the preparation of ointments. Thank you.